doing? What are you doing? My peanut butter. My peanut butter. My spoon? You want a bite of banana? How about some banana? Bite of banana. Banana? My turn. How's it taste?
Good.
Yummy, yummy? What's mommy doing?
Play with the water.
She is? What's she playing with? What kind of water?
Pickle.
Or is she feeding Mikey?
Yeah, Mike.
Baby Mikey? Do you like peanut butter?
Huh?
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like peanut butter on a fork? Do you like peanut butter on a knife?
No.
What do you like peanut butter on?
Fruit.
On what?
Peanut butter fruit.
Peanut butter on a what?
Fruit.
On a spoon?
Yeah.
Oh. You want me to put it in a bowl? You want peanut butter in a bowl?
Yeah.
Do you want peanut butter and bananas? Okay, here's your banana. Here's your banana. Can I have some peanut butter? What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
Hold it.
Is it good? What are you eating?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter? What's baby Mikey eating?
Pickle.
What's he eating?
Pickle.
French toast? I don't think baby Mikey. Look, go look what baby Mikey's eating. What's he eating?
Milk.
What's baby Mikey eating?
Milk.
Milk?
No.
You say I love you, Grandma?
Hello, Grandma.
You say I love you, Maya?
I love you, Maya.
How about I love you, Mommy and Daddy?
I love you, my Daddy.
You say I love my peanut butter? Can you sing for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 9, K, M, N, O, P. Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
That's all you got? How about waka waka? How about stuck? How does that go? You say goodbye?